First of all, spices, and you put some onion, yes, and tomato.
Yes, I kind of missed the way.
Okay.
Yes, after yogurt, tomato, but I mixed the two together.
Okay.
I want to start the water from the ingredients.
Ah, I see. You want to evaporate. You want to evaporate the water.
The water.
Liquid from
Liquid.
yogurt. I see. Then you want to add tomatoes.
Yeah.
I see.
Then it becomes like cheese.
I see. Yes.
Yes.
That's right. That's right.
But eventually I cook tomato in the same way. So it's okay.
Yeah. Right.
The tomato was
Canned tomato. Organic canned tomato.
okay.
One.
Okay. Whole tomato.
Whole tomato.
Okay. Smells so nice.
What is the name of the spice?
Cumin.
I mixed it.
Okay. Cumin. Coriander. Ah, thank you. で、パプリカ。この辛そうなカシミリチリパウダー。カシミリチリパウダー。ターメリック。ターメリック。1 teaspoon turmeric. 2 teaspoon cumin. And 3 teaspoon of coriander. And 1 teaspoon of paprika.
That's a sweet paprika.
Sweet paprika.
1 8
1/8. 1/8. 1 and 1/8. Oh, just 1/8. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh yes. 1 and 1/2.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's right.
Kasimiri chili powder. And then this is hingu. Hingu.
That is something I don't know.
Giant fennel's root.
Yeah, I do.
Half teaspoon of asafoetide powder, hingu, that reduce gas or chickpea.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
I need to use that, definitely.
But smells like hot spring.
硫黄みたいな。
Sulfur.
But I don't smell it that way. But this one isn't for the spice as a flavor. It's more of a practical use.
Yes, no. Once you heat, it becomes taste of onion or garlic. So those strict monks in India use this without eating onion, garlic.
Yes.
It makes the interesting flavor.
Okay.
Ah, that's very interesting.
And once it's dry, we'll add the powdered spice.
Now I see the little secret that I never could obtain when I tried making something Indian.
Oh,
There are a lot of oil usually, no, in the container. And I wonder how come mine never show up with that much oil, but you dry up all the liquid,
yeah.
so it tastes so much better.
Yeah, and if you cook at home, you can use good oil at home, so don't worry if you see too much oil. Yeah, it's good for your health.
The ghee?
Ghee,
That's good.
especially ghee is good. The ghee makes the taste. Beans,
Richer.
richer.
Mhm.
Salt. Yeah.
Ah, so
How much salt?
1
1 teaspoon.